From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott.
And I'm student meteorologist Mitchell Cocaine.
Here with the medium range forecast and video discussion issued on Wednesday, February 25th. Well, Mitch, taking a look out the window, it is cloudy, but it's going to be a lot milder today. We're going to be up near 50 degrees, and it looks like this mild weather's going to stick around into the start of the weekend.
Yeah, I'm actually really excited for that. Especially after the cold we've had. It's a little cold out there this morning, but it's not too bad. But I'm hoping these clouds kind of break up sooner rather than later, so we can actually get up to those 50 temperatures.
I think they will, and if we don't do it today, we're definitely going to do it on Saturday. Exactly. So you want to talk to us about that?
Yeah, please. Let me take over here. There we go. All right, taking a look at the Canadian model here, looking at Saturday afternoon. We're going to have some high pressure system settle over here, so we're going to be able to, have really nice temperatures on Saturday. Highs around 60 degrees, and mainly partly sunny skies. So we're just a really nice day on Saturday. I know you're really excited about that.
Absolutely, yeah. I can't wait. It's been way too long.
And then taking a look at Sunday, afternoon, we're going to get a cold front that's going to sweep through the region here Saturday night through Sunday morning. Possible showers possible, but the Euro doesn't really like that, so. Sunday's just going to be a little bit cooler, but it's supposed to be a generally nice day. So
it's not too bad, back down in the low 40s, but that's fairly normal for this time of year, so not really a big deal. But by Sunday afternoon, what I want you to focus your attention on is this disturbance out here in the central states. There's going to be this quasi-stationary frontal boundary that sets up from the central United States, and it's going to drape eastward somewhere across the mid-Atlantic states. We're not exactly sure where that frontal boundary is going to set up yet, but where it does, that disturbance is going to ride eastward along it. If that frontal boundary sets up in the exact right position for us, then that disturbance could ride eastward and bring us a snow event here from Monday into Monday night. However, if that frontal boundary is too far north, we'd likely deal with a mixed precipitation event. If the boundary is farther south, then we would probably just end up fairly dry here across the lower Susquehanna Valley. But as of right now, it's definitely something to keep an eye on, and we do have a chance of snow in the forecast early next week, both Monday and then again into Tuesday. It looks like another disturbance is going to ride along that boundary, but the boundary is going to start lifting northward during the middle of the week. So I do think the disturbance on Tuesday is going to either be a changeover event or some kind of wintry mix before we finally break out of this pattern and turn noticeably warmer later next week. So taking a look at the medium range Campus Weather Service forecast, mostly sunny and pleasant on Saturday, high 58. Get outside and enjoy that, because by Sunday it turns partly sunny, breezy, and cooler with a high of 42, and then mostly cloudy and unseasonably cold on Monday with a chance of snow, high 30. Looking forward into Tuesday, mostly cloudy and still quite cold with a chance of mixed wintry precipitation, highs in the mid-upper 30s. Well, that'll do it for this edition of the Medium Range Forecast. Tune back in next Wednesday for the latest edition. Until then, enjoy the beautiful start to the weekend.